Internet of Things 6G technology. Details about the Internet of Things, IoT, and 6G technology. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices, objects, and systems that communicate and exchange data with each other over the Internet. These devices, often embedded with sensors, actuators, and connectivity capabilities, collect and transmit data to central systems for analysis and decision-making. IoT has already begun transforming various industries, including healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, smart cities, and more. Key features of IoT. Connectivity. IoT devices are connected through various communication protocols, enabling seamless data exchange. Sensors and actuators. Devices are equipped with sensors to collect data and actuators to perform actions based on that data. Data analysis. IoT generates vast amounts of data that can be analyzed for insights, trends, and predictions. Automation. IoT devices can trigger actions and processes automatically based on predefined conditions. Remote monitoring and control. Users can monitor and control devices remotely using IoT applications. Enhanced efficiency. IoT optimizes resource usage, reduces costs, and enhances efficiency in various domains. 6G technology. 6G technology represents the sixth generation of wireless communication technology, building upon the advancements of 5G. While 5G focuses on faster data speeds and lower latency, 6G is expected to take wireless communication to new heights by addressing even more advanced use cases. Potential features of 6G. Hyperconnectivity. 6G aims to provide even faster data speeds, enabling unprecedented levels of connectivity and real-time interactions. Terahertz frequencies. 6G may utilize higher frequency bands, such as terahertz frequencies, for improved data transfer rates. AI integration. Artificial intelligence will play a crucial role in optimizing network resources, managing traffic, and enhancing user experiences. Holographic communication. 6G could enable holographic communication and immersive AR, VR experiences. Ultra-reliable and low-latency communication, URLLC. 6G aims to provide extremely low latency and high reliability for critical applications like autonomous vehicles and remote surgeries. Sustainability. Energy efficiency and reduced environmental impact are key considerations in 6G's design. IoT and 6G synergy. IoT and 6G technology are poised to have a synergistic relationship. The advanced capabilities of 6G can greatly benefit IoT applications that require massive data exchange, ultra-low latency, and seamless connectivity. The combination of IoT and 6G could lead to breakthroughs in sectors like healthcare, smart cities, industrial automation, and more. For instance, remote surgery with haptic feedback, real-time monitoring of critical infrastructure, and precise control of autonomous vehicles could become a reality due to this synergy. In summary, IoT and 6G technology represent significant advancements in their respective fields. The fusion of IoT's interconnected devices and 6G's ultra-fast, low-latency communication has the potential to reshape industries and drive innovations that were once considered science fiction.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.